How to fill in color in shapes in Adobe Acrobat. To do this, you will need the Adobe Acrobat app. Unfortunately, this feature isn't available in the web version. The browser version doesn't support adding or customizing shapes like circle, squares, or arrows yet. Open your PDF in the Acrobat app. Go to the Comment tool. From the toolbar that appears, select Draw tool. Select a shape from the drop-down, like a rectangle, ellipse, or line. Click and drag on your PDF to place it. Once your shape is placed, right-click on it and choose Properties. A Properties panel will appear. Click Fill Color, then choose the color you want. You can also change the border color and opacity here. And that's how to fill color in shapes using Adobe Acrobat app. If you are using the web version, you will need to switch up to app for this one. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.